Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Belvedere to near Milford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hutchetown, Washington, Mount Arlington, High Bridge, Stanhope, Litcong, Clinton, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, Lebanon, Milford, Califon, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, and Brass Castle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 25 and 31. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.